Soft, melt-in-mouth idlis made almost instantly without long hours of soaking and fermentation. Let's make super easy and quick poha idli. I have taken here 1 cup of thick poha. Let's grind it. The poha is ground into a powder. Let's transfer the poha powder to a bowl. To this, I am adding 1.5 cup of rice rava, or you can even use upma rava. Next, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 cup of curd. Let's mix. Now, I'm simply adding 1 cup of water into the mixture and bringing everything together. While the conventional idli making requires 5 to 6 hours of soaking the grains and then another 7 to 8 hours of fermentation, this recipe saves up a lot of time. The resting time for this mixture is just 20 minutes. 20 minutes are over. The water is nicely absorbed by the poha and the rava. Now, this needs to be brought into a batter consistency, which we will be doing by adding water. To this, I am adding around 1.5 cups of water in batches. For making the idlis, we don't want the batter to be runny, or else it will result in hard and flat idlis. The right consistency will be medium thick and easy drop like this. The batter is ready. Just before steaming the idlis, I am adding 1 teaspoon of fruit salt and around 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it in. You can even use half a teaspoon of soda instead. The idli batter is nice and frothy. Let's quickly transfer it to the greased idli plates. Time to steam the idlis. I'm steaming them for 12 to 15 minutes on medium flame. It has been 15 minutes now. Let's remove the lid. Steaming hot idlis are ready. Let them rest for 5 minutes on the plates and only then unmold. This will help you unmold the idlis smoothly without breaking them. These are extremely soft. Enjoy them with some coconut chutney, red chutney on the sides. You can even spread a spoon of ghee on the idlis just how I like it. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.